Do you want to learn MySQL from scratch? In this video, I will show you how to create a database, create table and insert record step by step. No confusing theory, no unnecessary details, just practical learning. By the end of this video, you will have your first working MySQL database and the confidence to do it on your own. Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. I'm Sunita and guys, let's start the video. So guys, I'm just starting MySQL command line. I have already installed MySQL server on my system as well as MySQL workbench. So you can run your query on MySQL workbench or MySQL command line. So in this video, I'm using MySQL command line. In my further video, I will show you through MySQL workbench also. So I have logged into MySQL command line and now here I'm simply showing you my databases. So for that I have just written show databases semicolon. So this will show you the databases which are existing on your MySQL server. So here are the few built-in database and one database which I created while installing MySQL server, that is Sunita. Now I'm showing you the current database which is in use. So here, since I have not created any database right now, I'm not change any database, so I'm writing select database parenthesis semicolon. So it is showing me null, so that means no database is selected. So what I'll do, I'll create one database. I'm going to create one database. So for creating any database, you need to use command create database. After that, write your database name. So here, create database college underscore db semicolon. And you can see it's showing query okay, that means it has been run successfully. Now I'm just changing the database. There was no database selected, so hence I will change the database to my database. So for that I'm writing use college underscore db semicolon and it's showing database change. Now let's run command again, select database parenthesis semicolon, and you can see now the database is changed. Instead of null, it is showing college underscore db. You can repeat your command by pressing up arrow and down arrow keys rather than typing if you have already typed that command. And now we will be creating table inside this database. So for that we will be using create table command. So here I'm going to create one table, student table. In that I will be having student id, first name, last name, gender, course, city and admission date. This column I will be taking and various data type I will be taking. So here I'm writing create table student and then student underscore id. The data type I'm providing as integer. So for that I'm writing int and primary key because I don't want duplicate value for student id. And then first underscore name, for this I'm providing varchar 50, last underscore name varchar 50, and then gender because I want M for male and F for female, so char 1 I have given. And after that I'm providing courses, so for that again I have used varchar 50 and then city varchar 50, and finally admission date I'm using date data type. Okay, so all column you need to separate by comma and at the end put parenthesis semicolon, and you can see it's showing query okay. Now I'm running one command show tables. The way we have run show databases, similarly we have show tables. So it is showing tables in my database. Okay, now I'm going to run one more command, desk students. So this command is going to describe your student table, what data type it is having, and what primary key, whether you have used null value. So different details of your table it will provide. So desk space student semicolon, or you can use another command, describe space student semicolon. Both are going to show you same thing. Okay, so here you can see column name and that data type it is showing. Now next thing, if your table is ready, you should insert some record to it. So we will be inserting one record to this table. So for that I'm writing insert into student. Student is my table name, values, and then whatever column you have, you need to provide that many value over here. Okay, so first of all, I'm providing student ID 1 and then first name Sunita, last name Rai. You can provide varchar data in single quote or double quote, no problem. And then F for female I have given, and then course I'm providing BSCCS, city, Mumbai, and date. Do remember, while providing date, you have to provide in this format YYY hyphen then MM. So do not provide month like 7, provide 07 and then hyphen DD. Okay, so 2-digit value is required, otherwise you will be getting syntax error. So date is also done. You can put in single quote or double quote, that is okay. Parenthesis and semicolon. So it's showing query okay, one row affected, that means it has inserted my row. Let me just repeat command once again. So for ID number 2, I'm just inserting some value for it. So name and gender and courses I have changed, admission date, and it's showing query okay. So this way you can run single record, and if you want to view your record, you can simply type select star from student. Select is a command which will give you data from your table. Star means show me all the column, and from is a keyword, and student is a table name. So it will show you all the columns, right? Okay, then you can see it's showing me all the column and all the rows in that table. Now rather than inserting one row, I can write this insert into student query. Rather than inserting one rows by writing insert into student values query, I will write one query which will insert many rows with one query. So here is my command, insert into student values. Query will remain same, only what you have to do, you have to provide your data. So here I'm just writing my data, and then after that I'm just putting comma and I'm opening parenthesis again. I'm providing next row. So this way you can provide multiple rows. So you don't have to write insert into student values again and again. Okay. So here I'm just inserting this value. Other than inserting all the columns, you if you want to insert only few columns value, then you can provide that column after your table name. So insert into student, for example, I just want to provide student ID, first name and last name. So here I'm writing student ID, first name, last name, and then values, and the value of this 3 column I will provide, rather than providing value of all my 7 columns. Okay, so this way you can write query if you want to insert only few column values. Okay, now next thing, if you want to view the record, you can write select star from table name. So now I have I have written query for inserting 2 records. So it's showing me record 2, duplicate 0 and warning 0. If I write select star from student, you can see we are getting all the 4 records of the table. Now I will try to insert one duplicate record. Since I have given primary key, so it will not allow me to insert duplicate record. So let me just repeat one of the insert query. So here you can see it's showing me duplicate record. Okay, so you cannot provide duplicate value if you have given primary key. Now let's write few more variation of select command. So star, I told you that if you are using select star from student, it will show you all the column. If you want to have specific column, you can mention that. So here I am writing select student underscore ID from student. So you can see it's not showing me all column, it's showing me only student underscore ID column. Now I can provide condition also. So select star from student where city equal to Mumbai. So here you can see it's not showing me all the record, it's showing me only the record where it is matching city with Mumbai. I'm going to create a separate video on this where clause and select query. So in this video I'm just showing you the important part of this select query. And now if you want to have more than one column, you can write by putting comma. So here I am writing select first underscore name comma course from student. So I'm getting this student name and course column. So guys, I hope by following my video, now you are able to create database tables and insert record to your table by yourself. So guys, if this video has really helped you, do hit on like button and share my videos to your friend. And if you have any query, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. Guys, I'm having one more channel, Code with Sunita, in Hindi. Certainly you can visit if you are interested learning coding in Hindi. And I'm having my website. I have posted lots of tutorial on my website. You can certainly visit that. All my social media link I have given in description box. You can join my social media account. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. There is red color subscribe button. Just hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive updates from my channel. I'm going to create a series of video on MySQL. So if you don't want to miss that, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning, guys.